What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you Harley-Davidson's collection of protection accessories for the Pan America motorcycle. Flicked up rocks, trail debris, a tip over, all of these are capable of doing damage to your Pan America. This is why Harley-Davidson has designed a series of rugged accessories that protect your bike so you can ride on tough off-road trails with more confidence. The first accessory I want to talk about is this skid plate. This has the important job of protecting the underside of your bike from damage caused by flying rocks, high centering, or other impacts that you can come across when off-road riding. Featuring a heavy-duty aluminium construction, this accessory is extremely tough and it adds a dose of extra rugged styling. The brush guard is next, and it does exactly what the name suggests. This steel guard protects the radiator shroud and other motorcycle components from damage caused by passing brush or damage caused by a tip over. With its durable black satin finish, the guard matches the motorcycle frame and complements the rugged looks of your bike. The brush guard comes standard on the Pan America 1250 Special and is available as an accessory upgrade for the Pan America 1250. Moving down to the exhaust, we have the Muffler Guard. This tubular steel guard serves to protect motorcycle parts from damage during a tip over, and it looks great on the bike. It is easily installed over the original equipment muffler, or as seen on this bike, the Screamin' Eagle Street Cannon muffler. The radiator can also take some hits from small rocks and other debris, especially when riding off-road, so it's important to keep the cooling system protected with this Radiator Shield. The mesh shield provides a good-looking finishing touch without compromising cooling efficiency. It's easy to install and fits perfectly on the Pan America. Last, but definitely not least, I'm going to show you the headlamp guard. If a rock damages your headlamp while night riding, you're in for a long dark ride back to camp, and no one wants that. Harley-Davidson designed this rugged mesh headlamp guard to shield the Pan America's lens from debris, and the design won't degrade headlamp performance. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.